Hello everyone. Today's topic is going to be about how to manage finances during recession. So, let's begin. A recession is described as a significant decline in economic activity that is spread across the economy and that lasts more than a few months. You must be worrying about how to manage finances. Making preparations for the worst-case situation is the first step in knowing how to manage finances in hard times. Here are some key points to manage finances during recession. Point 1. Reassess your budget. Examine your spending patterns closely as a starting step of how to manage finances, then make a strategy to save more money. Increasing the amount in your emergency fund can better position you to handle unforeseen expenditures in the future, such as those resulting from cash flow issues, job loss, or other unforeseen circumstances like rising food or gas prices. Having a 6-month emergency fund on hand can support you in the event of financial difficulties. Point 2. Manage your debts. If you have many outstanding debts, you might think about debt consolidation. You may pay off many higher interest debts with the revenues of a single fixed-rate loan. In addition to streamlining your payments, this may also lower your interest expenses. Use your emergency fund to pay critical expenditures after these occurrences, but restrict discretionary spending to make the emergency fund last as long as possible and restore it as soon as possible. Point 3. Diversify your investments. It is too dangerous to decide to invest all of your money in a stock only because its price has dropped. An index fund, which is a kind of mutual or exchange-traded fund that follows a market index, is perhaps the best option for novices when it comes to the stock market. The majority of investors seek diversity to know how to manage finances and passive management in their portfolios, and index funds provide both. Investing at an early age will put you in a better position to accumulate money over the long run. Point 4. Live within your means. When gas or food costs rise, you are more likely to adapt your spending in other areas to make up for it rather than going into debt if you make it a practice to live within your means every day during the good times. It will show you the ways to manage finances. If you are a married couple with 2 incomes, consider seeing how close you can live on only one spouse's salary to further this idea. This strategy will enable you to save enormous sums of money during prosperous times. Point 5. Have side incomes. It is not a terrible idea to have a side gig, even if your full-time career is fantastic. This might be anything from selling artifacts online to doing some consulting work. More employment equates to greater job security. At the very least, diversifying your sources of income is just as crucial as diversifying your assets. If you lose one source of income during a recession, at least you will still have the other one. Even if your income may not be as high as it once was, every little bit helps. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected and subscribe for the latest updates.